Hey, Joe.
You are my black queen, no so pure. Your melanin so sweet, it bring me joy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, come join La Familiar. It's really hot in here. So, I'm braiding my hair. I've done 4. I'm redoing this one and I'm redoing this one because I'm not happy with how they've come out. My forehead looks bare shiny. Let me reduce the brightness. Fucking hell, man. I always start with the middle and I'm doing 7. I'm doing 7 of the thick, the regular braids. Redo this one. Add some more hair into this one. Once I finish this side, I'll come back and then you can kind of see how I do this side. This is a fucking task, fam. It wouldn't be as bad if I wasn't injured. My thumb, do you know when a nail breaks and it's like breaks like onto your skin? So I've cut it. Ignore my orange fingernails, because that nail shit don't want to come off. Nah, this ring light's taking the piss, mate. It's just like shining on my bloody forehead. I'm using Xpressions in the color 1B. I've actually used 1 packet for this side so far. I think it's gonna be a bit more because obviously, like I said, I need to add a bit more hair into this one, and I know that I need to add like maybe 2 little thin strands into this middle one because here my natural hair, too much of my natural hair is out. This is the length of them at the moment. I've not finished them off at the ends because I want to add some more hair to make them extra long. Excuse my dirty mirror. So anyway, this is what I use to separate the hair, so I don't have to keep like pulling it or putting it somewhere and then just keep sliding off. It's like a thread holder. I got it from Amazon for like I think it was £11. I'm gonna get another one because when I'm braiding and I separate hair, like when the hair finishes, I have to stop and then separate more hair. So I'm gonna get 2 more so I can just separate, like, I think it's got 60 on here. So I'm just gonna get 2 more just so I can have like another one spare. Just realized you guys can't even see me do my hair on this side. I should have actually done my hair on this side off camera and then showed you on this side, because right now everything's just blocked. You can't see Nish. I've gotten to a point where I'm not even bothered now. I am bothered, but I'm not bothered. Do you know what I mean? It's too hot to be doing all this. Thing is, it's like midnight and I swear it's getting hotter and hotter. In my room it's getting hot because I know it's because this bloody ring light. But I need a fan. So what I do is, as I'm braiding, I keep adding, like when I get like to the part where more hair is going in, I'll keep adding some of the gummy to the braid as I braid. This is so that any flyaways, like the ends of my hair can like get tucked in nicely. I feel like this is a bit lopsided. It's not going down the middle. Ask me if I care. I really ain't got that. I'm too hot. I am too hot for this. How? Can you guys see it? No, you can't see it. Just know it's. Feel me pain. Do you know what's making me hotter now? The fact that I'm talking and braiding. I can't do these 2 things at once. I can't do these 2 things at once. I just don't think the heat is agreeing with me doing these 2 things at once. But yeah, I think I said before that I've never done these braids before. I have, but like, it's not to this extent. And they weren't good. They were just like, I did them because I had to. So when I was in Miami, well, I was in Mexico, I had a weave in, went into the water, weave got fucked, had to take that out, and then I was like, listen, I can't be bothered having my natural hair out, having to sort it out every day. So I got some extensions, braided it up, and it was terrible. I don't think I got pictures of that because it was that bad. The good thing is, we actually have 1 left to go. Who would have that? Not me. Oh, that ain't right. I thought there's a lot of hair here. Have I done this one too small? Because best believe I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it again. Nah. Surely I haven't done that, have I? That white stuff that's coming out my hair, I think it's a mixture of shea butter, leave-in conditioner, and the gel, and then wax. Just push mine on my local, we'll call them baby hairs, but it's just very weak edges. That's the quickest part of this whole hair look. I need some water. I have to get up. Oh god, it's melting already. But you know what? Water just looks succulent, yeah? Succulent. As you can see, it's the next day. I'm gonna try and transfer this into my straw bottle because you know it's my straw bottle and that. No, that's not happening. That's not happening. Slippery. The lid's frozen. Shit, I need a drink. I've just finished drinking water, but I need more, you know. You never know what could happen. You could choke on some hair. I have an elbow. As you can see from the light that's peeking out my blinds, it is daytime, so that means it's the next day. I finished doing this part of my hair as I don't think I even recorded anymore because I was just like, you can't see shit. I should have thought about it more carefully. I want them to be this length, like extra long. I want to feel like I'm auditioning for Avatar. Do you know what I mean? My thumb is killing, guys. Like, I think that's some of the reason why I just couldn't bother even been recording. And oh my god, let me tell you something. So, remember how I said, I don't know if I recorded this part, but I remember I said, oh, I'm not redoing anything. It is how I can just state how it is. Yeah, no. The little perfectionist, not perfectionist, the little ugh in me was just like, fuck's sake, I had to do it. So I basically had to take out a couple. That's all you need to know. Not a couple, not even a couple. I took some out, and then the mini braids that I do here, I had to take those out and do them again. But then, even when I took them out and did them again, they're still uneven. Even like when I take this off, you're gonna be like, sis, I don't think you meant to do that. I know. But I just got to the point where I was like, yeah, fuck it. I'm not doing it again. My thumb is hurting too much. I chose the wrong time to do this. Cause like my nail is just fucked up my mojo. Attach the hair, and then we just continue braiding with our hair attached. But yeah, you can't even tell where I've added the hair in. I mean, can you? It's a bit lopsided, but yeah. So just makes it blend in nicely. I'm just wondering, do I need to add any more hair? And I need to add one more strand. So yeah, I've got like different thicknesses on my little sewing thread stand. So when I need to add hair, I'll just go. But I'm thinking this might be a bit too thick. Nah, I think that's just about right. This was actually like a trial and error to see if I can actually record like hair tutorials, and I definitely can't. Like braiding tutorials, I can't do it. Fuck's sake. Got like 5 to do. Adding, just making them longer. And then I can show you this part here and discuss to you why one needs redoing and why I'm not doing it. Well, why I'm not doing it is because my thumb, I'm injured, first of all. And yeah, fuck it. I don't think it's that obvious, but it is obvious. But it's not that obvious, you know what I mean? Yeah.
You see some pushing, you gonna ask them. Just do
something. This one is thinner than, like, even from here, I think it looks thinner than some of these ones. I'm really gonna carry on braiding and pretend that I don't notice. Dedicated to the man. Not find no girl over, no man, me no idiot. If me I take your man, me I eat that. I'm gonna go and dip them in water downstairs, and then I'll come back up, and then I can show you what the rest of the hair looks like, and we can have a little chit chat together. So yeah, I just boil hot water, dip them in. I feel like it's very self-explanatory. I don't really need to show you that. Do you know what I mean? One of them ones, just you dip, and then you take it out. Dip, take it out. Who did that? Oh fuck! I love this look. I love it. The braids that I was on about, which were like I said I need to redo, but I'm not doing it, is this braid here. So I don't know if you can see, but here it's like flat and then it goes to braid. It's because I started braiding it, then I pulled it. How can I explain it? I don't know how can it, but you can just see what it looks like. How other ones are starting like here, like right near the front, but this one starts basically like here. I feel like it's not that obvious, so I'm not doing it again. Also, like the two braids that I've got on either side, look, these ones are more spaced out. I like how these ones look, but I mean, I don't mind how these ones look as well, but it's just like they're not the same. They don't look the same. But again, ain't nobody got time for that. It don't bother me like that. So what I did last night when I finished doing these braids, I just put in some wrap set mousse, some olive oil wrap set mousse, and that's what I put. And I put this headscarf on. That's all I did. I went to bed, and then this is what it looks like now. And then for my edges, I just used the Creme of Nature with Argan oil, just for the edges. And yeah, this is the final look. I love the length. It's still wet at the moment. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna break my neck trying to show you guys. I'm going back to work next week. So this consistency I've been trying to give you is just gonna be like, meow. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend that Creme is on the scene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh god, my nose is hurting. What's going on here?